And what is it, Tyler?
That's a jailbird grill thunderbolt, the most rarest thunderbolt known to man. No, this is. Oh my God! Quit screaming.
Here's Tyler. Tell your
He
mom.
is happy.
Tyler, tell your mom about it. Here.
Hey, Mom. Tornado siren.
Tornado siren.
Thunderbolt? We found a rare
Damn.
jailbird grill thunderbolt. Those things are the rarest thunderbolts known to man. Where are these big cones next to us? I've got my iPhone.
I'm taking a video of you, Tyler.
Okay.
Alright, let me have my phone.
Okay. Bye. Tyler, that's one of them too, ain't it? That's the one I want. That's the one I want. Look, ain't it? That's
Rarest one known to man.
Oh my God, somebody's got it now. Look, Tyler, there's one too. This one is in jail, boy. Oh my gosh, I can pick it up.
I'll be messing with it.
Tyler, look at this one back here in the back on the phone. That's rare. That's the rarest thunderbolt known.
Well, alright, we can't stay down here long. We may deal with that man.
Tyler, what's that one?
Tyler, look, they got them lined up back there.
What's that one?
That one over there on the pole, Tyler.
Hold on.
Tyler, what's that one back there on the pole?
Thunderbolt?
That's the same one. That's a thunderbolt sign. There you go. That's the one. Hold on, let me get some pictures.
Here's a blower box. Tyler, there's about 5 blower boxes back here.
Yeah. That's
1, 2, 3.
They just give them more pressure to where they work better.
Alright, boys, let's go. We may deal with the man.